everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, we're talking about the only woman I know in South Africa who stayed with her ex-boyfriend. The ex that left her with the child for 18 years came back unapologetic with another child from another mother and stayed with her, claiming he don't have a place to stay. That woman is Zodwa from Gomora. According to Next Week Tears, Zodwa and Don will start to have strong feelings for each other and they will share intimate moment. Zodwa will start daydreaming about Don while with Bongani. Don, being a gangster, will force Bongani to choose between his life and Zodwa, and it will end in tears between Zodwa and Bongani. At the same time, guys, I don't think Zodwa and Don's relationship is going anywhere. Do leave a comment below, guys, and share your opinion. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.